There's nothing quite like the feeling of stepping into a fresh, clean-smelling home. It's inviting, uplifting, and instantly puts you at ease. For many of us, achieving that just cleaned scent often involves reaching for a can of commercial air freshener. But what if I told you there's a better, more natural way to freshen your home's air? Homemade air fresheners using essential oils offer a wonderful alternative to their store-bought counterparts. Not only do they allow you to control the exact ingredients going into your home's air, but they're also incredibly easy and affordable to make. Plus, with a little creativity, you can customize your own unique blends to perfectly match your personal preferences and home decor. Imagine filling your home with the invigorating scent of citrus, the calming aroma of lavender, or the warm and inviting fragrance of cinnamon and spice. With DIY air fresheners, the possibilities are endless. In the following sections, we'll delve into the world of natural air freshening, exploring the benefits, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions to create your own aromatic haven. So, are you ready to ditch the chemical-laden sprays and embrace a healthier, more natural way to freshen your home? Let's get started. While commercial air fresheners may promise to eliminate odors and infuse your home with delightful scents, they often come with a hidden cost. Many conventional air fresheners are loaded with synthetic fragrances, chemicals, and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, that can be harmful to our health and the environment. These hidden toxins can trigger allergies, irritate respiratory systems, and contribute to indoor air pollution. Prolonged exposure to these chemicals has even been linked to more serious health issues in some studies. It's especially important to be mindful of these risks if you have young children, pets, or family members with sensitivities. Furthermore, the artificial fragrances in many store-bought air fresheners simply mask odors rather than truly neutralizing them. This can create a confusing and potentially overwhelming sensory experience, leaving your home smelling less than fresh. By choosing DIY air fresheners, you're taking a stand for your health and the well-being of your family. You're also reducing your environmental impact by opting for natural, biodegradable ingredients over harsh chemicals. Plus, you'll be amazed at how much more pleasant and authentic natural scents are compared to their artificial counterparts. One of the best things about making your own air fresheners is the simplicity of the ingredients. You likely already have many of them in your pantry or bathroom cabinet. Here's a list of common household items you'll need to get started. Essential oils. These are the stars of the show, providing the natural fragrance for your air fresheners. Some popular choices include lavender, lemon, peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus. But feel free to experiment with your favorites. Distilled water is best for making air fresheners as it's free of impurities that can affect the scent and longevity of your creations. Witch hazel. This acts as a natural preservative, helping to extend the shelf life of your air fresheners. Baking soda. A natural odor absorber, baking soda is particularly useful for creating solid air fresheners like sachets. Cornstarch. Similar to baking soda, cornstarch helps to absorb excess moisture and prevent clumping in solid air fresheners. Glass spray bottles. These are perfect for storing your DIY air freshener sprays. Look for amber or blue glass bottles to protect the essential oils from light degradation. Small jars or containers. Use these for storing gel air fresheners or mixing ingredients. Fabric scraps or muslin bags. These are ideal for creating scented sachets. Choose natural fabrics like cotton or linen for best results. With these simple ingredients on hand, you'll be well equipped to create a variety of natural air fresheners to suit your every need. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to get crafting. Here are step-by-step instructions for making 3 popular types of homemade air fresheners: sprays, sachets, and gels. DIY air freshener spray. In your glass spray bottle, combine half a cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and 20 to 30 drops of your chosen essential oil or blend. Screw on the spray top tightly and shake well to combine the ingredients. To use, simply mist the air freshener around your home, avoiding direct contact with fabrics or furniture. DIY scented sachets. In a bowl, mix half a cup of baking soda and a quarter cup of cornstarch. Add 15 to 20 drops of essential oils to the mixture and stir well to combine. Transfer the scented mixture to fabric scraps or muslin bags, securing them tightly with string or rubber bands. Place the sachets in drawers, closets, or anywhere you want a touch of long-lasting fragrance. DIY gel air freshener. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of gelatin, and a 1/4 cup of salt. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly, until the gelatin and salt are completely dissolved. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. Add 20 to 30 drops of essential oils and a few drops of food coloring if you like to the mixture. Pour the mixture into small jars or containers and let it cool completely until set. These are just a few basic recipes to get you started. Feel free to experiment with different essential oil combinations, ingredient ratios, and decorative touches to create your own signature air fresheners. Section 5. The Power of Scent. Exploring essential oil benefits. Essential oils are the heart and soul of DIY air fresheners, providing natural fragrance and a host of therapeutic benefits. Let's explore the unique properties of some popular essential oils. Known for its calming and relaxing effects, lavender essential oil is perfect for creating a peaceful and serene atmosphere in bedrooms and living spaces. It's also believed to promote restful sleep and ease anxiety. Bright and invigorating lemon essential oil uplifts the mood, boosts energy levels, and helps to neutralize unpleasant odors. It's a great choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and any area that needs a refreshing boost. Invigorating and stimulating peppermint essential oil can help to improve focus, concentration, and alertness. It's also known to alleviate headaches and ease digestive discomfort. A powerful antibacterial and antiviral agent, tea tree essential oil is excellent for purifying the air and eliminating airborne germs. It's a must-have for creating a healthy and hygienic home environment, especially during cold and flu season. With its refreshing and clarifying aroma, eucalyptus essential oil can help to open up airways, relieve congestion, and promote easier breathing. It's a great choice for bedrooms, bathrooms, and any space where you want to create a spa-like atmosphere. Section 6. Spray Away the Stale. A Guide to DIY Air Freshener Sprays. Air freshener sprays are incredibly versatile and easy to make. They're perfect for quickly freshening up a room or targeting specific areas like bathrooms or pet areas. Here are some tips for creating your own effective and delightful air freshener sprays. Opt for a glass spray bottle, preferably amber or blue glass, to protect the essential oils from light degradation. A simple base of distilled water and witch hazel works wonders. Witch hazel acts as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of your spray. Experiment with different essential oil combinations to create your desired fragrance profiles. For a calming blend, try lavender and chamomile. For an uplifting and energizing aroma, opt for citrus fruits like lemon, orange, and grapefruit. This ensures that the essential oils are evenly distributed for optimal fragrance diffusion. A little goes a long way with essential oils. Start with a few sprays and see how you like the intensity. You can always add more if needed. Section 7. Long-lasting fragrance. Crafting your own scented sachets. For a subtle and long-lasting fragrance, scented sachets are a wonderful option. They're incredibly easy to make and can be tucked away in drawers, closets, or anywhere you want a touch of freshness. Natural fabrics like cotton, linen, or muslin work best for sachets as they allow the scent to permeate easily. You can use fabric scraps or purchase small muslin bags from craft stores. A combination of baking soda and cornstarch creates an excellent base for absorbing odors and holding onto essential oils. Add your favorite essential oils to the powder mixture, stirring well to ensure even distribution. The scent of sachets will fade over time. To refresh them, simply add a few more drops of essential oils to the sachets every few weeks. Let your personality shine by adding decorative touches to your sachets. You can tie them with ribbons, add dried flowers, or use stencils and fabric paint to personalize them. Section 8. Gel Freshness, a potent and decorative air freshener option. Gel air fresheners offer a potent and long-lasting fragrance option. They're also incredibly versatile and can be customized with different colors and decorative elements to match your home decor. Gelatin is the key ingredient in gel air fresheners, providing a stable base for the essential oils to disperse their fragrance. Adding a small amount of salt to the mixture helps to preserve the gel and prevent mold growth. A few drops of food coloring can transform your gel air fresheners into vibrant and decorative accents for your home. The amount of essential oils you add will determine the strength of the fragrance. Start with a few drops and gradually add more until you achieve your desired intensity. Gel air fresheners work best in smaller enclosed spaces like bathrooms, closets, or entryways.